let's talk about a report that is concerning India, because it is not for the first time that the West has tried to lecture India when it comes to tolerance and religious freedom, and it may certainly not be the last. Now, this time it is the USCIRF which once again is trying to preach religious freedom to India. The independent US federal agency releasing its annual report for the year 2025, where it has now made series of claims against India and has accused the country and its leadership of discriminating against minorities, in particular the Muslim community. What does the report say? We'll expand that. When it comes to this report claiming that there is a decline in religious freedom in the country and saying that there are increased attacks against minorities, increased discrimination as well. Further, they say that these attacks are fueled by political rhetoric. But that's not all. It further goes on to say that the UAPA has been misused to suppress journalists and the civil society, and CAA and NRC are sparking fears among the Muslim community. It also says that laws against cow slaughter are being used to specifically target the minority communities. Now, when it comes to a strong response, that is now a strongly worded response rather, that is coming from the ME or the Ministry of External Affairs, saying that this reflects the persistent attempts to misrepresent isolated incidents to cast aspersions on India's vibrant multicultural society. The ME also suspects that this report reflects a deliberate agenda rather than a genuine concern for the country. India further has gone on to say that such efforts undermine India's standing and will not succeed, and the USCIRF should be instead designated as an entity of concern. Now, Rishabh, this is a call that is now being made from the MEA that USCIRF should rather be designated as an entity of concern, as India has slammed the US panel's religious freedom report.
Well, definitely, Amita, and this is not the first time that this report has come in. A similar report we have seen in last February as well, last February as well. Every year and year after year, there has been a pattern in this religious freedom report from the United States that have been talking anti-India or against India and Indian governance and Indian authorities. US has maintained that it is an independent setup. It has nothing to do with what United States government thinks of India. The board entity does not belong to United States government. B, India year after year has slammed it, and now it has actually asked to categorize.
Well, we're trying to get as many reactions as possible. Mr. Fabian is connected with us. Sir, good morning to you. What do you make of this US panel's religious freedom report? Time and again, it continues to undermine India's standing as a beacon of democracy and tolerance as well. And this is completely giving out an example that the world will now, we are eyeing it in a way as far as when it comes to such kind of disappointment that is now coming in from this report. And unfortunately, it's not happening for the first time, sir.
I'll put it this way. We do not have to take seriously the report which they come out with, because it seems they have got a, what shall I say, an agenda or, a certain prejudice against us. That's okay, but we can ignore it. And in fact, my view is that our reaction should be, at times it is better to ignore it rather than come out with a strong statement. But having said that, I would say that as a functioning democracy, we are capable of introspecting, looking back at what we have done and taking necessary corrective action if, as needed. That we are capable of, and that is something which we should project to the rest of the world. So my reaction is sort of in two parts.
All right. So you're saying that not much or any importance should be given rather to this report, which has been quite persistent as far as previous reports are also concerned, in a way, as far as a deliberate attempt is being made to cast aspersions. Thank you very much, Mr. Fabian, for joining in. To you, Rishabh, as well. This seems to be the USCIRF's persistent attempts to misrepresent isolated incidents and also cast aspersions on India's vibrant multicultural society. We'll get you more reactions on that back after a short break.